Hey guys, here at Unique Solution, when you come to us, we diagnose your scalp. We tell you exactly what's going on into your scalp, how to manage your stress, how to manage your hair, and the kind of product that goes with your hair problem that you came for. And we also gonna tell you all that. Then after then we detox your scalp. After we detox your scalp, we do cornrow. Then after we do cornrow, we're gonna give you the combo. Then you can continue to wear your wig until your hair grow. All that advice will come together. So please watch this video till the end, how I diagnose this lady and give her the right treatment. So what made it to start like this? Do you remember?
Not really. Before she knew it was.
Oh.
Yeah, she used to leave her hair braids in for long.
Oh, then she will keep it for long.
Yeah.
Okay. They look active. What you've been doing, mommy?
She just uses oil.
Okay, anything she will try.
Yes.
Yeah, and I cut it.
And then you cut.
Yeah.
You just kept cutting and cutting, but you keep trying with other different things.
Because the back grows.
Yes,
but
yes.
The sides and the middle part doesn't.
It doesn't go. Yeah, because of the reason why it's inflammation there.
Okay.
If she doesn't treat the inflammation, the hair will not stay. But the good thing she's been doing, she's been trying different things, different treatments.
Yeah.
So it keep the hair there. I can see it's very, very active there. Because she kept trying. She didn't just leave it.
No.
But it's still intent here.
Right, yeah.
Very, very intense. Mommy, can you feel? Is it still painful? Is it itchy?
It's, sometimes.
Sometimes it itch, because it's still going on. That's why it's itchy. Yeah, you don't get any flakes, no dandruff, just the itchy.
No, I don't have it. No.
Yeah. Okay. So you see there, the inflammation is still fresh, even though you said it's been long. Okay, because of you've been doing some stuff. How is your stress level now?
What's the thing?
It's okay. So
I'm not working. I just stay home.
You just stay home.
Yeah.
But there's nothing bothering you like.
No. Because this is my second born. My last born was 27.
27.
Yeah.
So you're happy with them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And
So where are we getting this stress now? Because stress contributes with the
before.
Okay.
Before, yeah.
So now you manage the stress now.
Yeah, because now the
kids are grown up.
Yes, and the number of stress is so free.
And what was stressing her was the kids. So now.
Okay, you grown. Okay. Oh, mommy.
Because I've been used to alone to take the care for the children.
Care for them. Yeah. So that's stress. That's where
this thing is no more.
Okay. So that's fine. So I'm happy to say that you're not stressed anymore.
No.
When we're gonna start the treatment, then the inflammation will dry out.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can see how the scalp look. It's warm. It's still warm.
Okay.
It's still warm. Yeah.
I hope the best.
Yeah, the treatment will work. Yeah,
Amen.
it will work because of your follicles are still active. I can see them here.
Okay.
Even though without the treatment, I can see loads of life at the edges.
Okay.
And the edges is the most difficult thing to grow.
Yeah. Okay.
When you don't have follicles there again. Very, very difficult, more than the CCCA, which is the crown here. The crown here is easy to grow faster. No matter, even like now I can see bold patches, but it grows quickly here.
Okay.
You understand? Than the edges. So it's good news for you. The edges, they will grow quickly and everywhere will grow. So let's say from 6 months time, you see massive results. Yeah.
Will she come back here for another?
She needs to come back for another top up. So then when I see that second top up, it's easy. Then I'll say, okay, when you finished all what I give you now today, then the next time you're going to order, I know what I will give you now.
Okay.
Yeah, because all the treatment is step by step.
All right.
You see, so now we need something now to activate more of these follicles. They're about to go.
Okay.
We need to activate them to keep them alive, plus hair as well. So once you finish them now, the other ones we're going to give you now is to thicken the hair, full the hair. So I got the way I'm going to make it for you. Less, not too strong, like the first one I'm going to give you today.
Bisa meet me as I me wakes and dear. Then
during the treatment, can she still wear her wigs?
Yes, she can still wear her wigs.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why she will be coming for top up.
All right.
So when she come for the top up, I'll be able to see how far you're going.
Okay.
So let's say the first top up for you is 15 weeks.
All right.
So after 15 weeks, you come back, we do the top up.
Okay.
So today as well, after the treatment, I'm gonna do condoles for you today as well. So you're gonna
Yes, I
see.
can do the combo.
Yeah, we can do the condole with this. Yeah, so at least you've got time to be putting the cream and use the demo roller. But at this stage here, it's very, very tender. It's sore. You understand? So we're not gonna use the demo roller, but you can start using it here because here it's not sore. It's okay.
Okay.
So now the reason why I'm saying it's sore, when I'm gonna use the treatment, it's gonna trigger it. It might make it sore during the process because that's what we're gonna do today to awaken the dead follicles that they're about to go. Okay, so it's a 3-hour session today. So I'm gonna first put the garlic cream with the clove oil water, but for you I'm gonna mix yours because we really need to activate it. Yeah, so it's gonna be a bit painful. Yeah, so we'll activate it with that for 45 minutes, then I'll put the second one 1 hour, then wash it over the sink, then after then I'll do the control, then we'll go over the product that I'm gonna give you.
Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm checking the hair. The hair is really dry, it's bristle. As I was combing it, it's shedding a lot. So guys, we're gonna give her everything for the scalp and also for the hair. Yeah. So now I'm combing the hair just to make sure that the hair is not full, because people pull me down like, oh, you didn't comb it before you do the treatment. You can see it's still empty. I've combed it. Okay, so let's dive into the treatment now. So I'm gonna mix our own oil. I'm gonna use 2 types of oil. This other oil, I don't disclose the name because it's very, very hot. All it does is just trigger the inflammation. So the clove oil water and with that other oil that look like it go bad, because but don't worry, that's the inflammation coming out. Just so you're gonna lose most of the hair where the inflammation is. Treatment, that hair will not grow. This is what just stopping her hair not to grow. So once I put those 2 oils, then I go in with the garlic cream. So these 2 combination that I put with the garlic cream, it just shows me where there is more patches. You can see where the follicles, they're already damaged due to the inflammation. You can see everywhere, but the edges are really, really active. Okay, but still it's gonna work because she was doing lots of things at home. She was making her own oil, and then also she was buying any cream that she said. You see, anytime we put the cream, if you see the oil is dribbling down like this, the inflammation is intent. That's how we know. Lots of people who come, they know this. Okay, so once I apply it, I'm gonna wrap it and leave it for 45 minutes. So the 45 minutes is up now and it stopped leaking because the scalp, the CCCA is really, really hot. This is why it was leaking so bad with the cream and the oil. Yeah. So once 45 minutes is up, I'm gonna use the aloe vera gel to massage it. Guys, this lady, she felt so much better with her scalp. I bet she'll be sleeping tonight. Yeah, then after that, you can see I'm using a big chunk of aloe vera gel. After that, I will put the protein treatment. After the protein treatment, I will give it a 20 to 15 minutes massage, which this scalp really needs. She haven't gone to the hairdresser for long. All she was doing, cutting the hair, putting oil. All her confidence is out. You know, it's only her daughter is keeping her there. Keep her going, you know, talk to her, take her out. So she's really, really happy for her daughter. Yes. So the husband even walked away because of this hair loss. But we're going to put this hair back in place. Within 6 months, her hair will grow. Yes, guys, like I said. So I wash the hair behind closed door just to keep this video short. I wash the hair behind closed door, do the other treatment. Voila, the inflammation disappeared on the top, guys. I am telling you. Look at that edges. So this time I did not apply any cream, just to see the skin. You can see how clean it looks. Okay, this is what we call detox. So this process takes 3 hours. All right, we don't rush it, please. When you come for it, try to make sure it's your day off. You don't have to go pick children up, so you can enjoy it. I'm there for you. Okay, then afterwards I will apply the garlic cream. This garlic cream, guys, this stage you have to put it. This is the stage for the garlic cream, because all we do now, we heal the inflammation. The good news is, as we're healing the inflammation, the new hair growth is coming because you use this mild garlic cream. You have to use it. You can't skip it when you have a scalp like this. I know some of you like scent product. We don't put scent product. And when you have inflammation like this, the moment you put scent on it, it will not work. It make it even worse, I am telling you. It's something I've experimented. I'm a hairdresser for 25 years. I've experimented this stuff. I'm not just saying it because I experiment it in animals or no. This is with human beings. So I've seen it. So if I said use this, use it and follow to the times and the way to be using it. Follow it for 6 months and you will tell me. But some of you need fast results. You can't. Right now, at this stage, we have to heal the scalp. Look at the hair. It grow instantly. It's active. She's not going to cut her hair again. Okay? Then she's going to come in 12 weeks. Then we'll see how it goes. If they come for follow-up, I will give you follow-up. But if they don't come, I can't drag anybody because I'm doing a business. Follow-up, you still have to pay. It's a service I'm providing, and it's very, very cheap and reasonable, I'm telling you. Some people pay £1,000. They don't even get half of the treatment you have the same day. Us, and your scalp felt much better. Please, bookings required deposit.